Hi, in this video so I'm going to show you how you can change out the batteries in your desktop trash can. This is a 1.3 gallon one. You're going to need two AA batteries and you need to take the lid off, and it's located just under here. So if you find that it's only working intermittently or not at all, try changing out the batteries because that might well fix the problem. So to get access we just need to peel it up from here, and it's just a rubber cover. And then the two batteries are in here. So take out the old ones and recycle them. And you're going to be putting your new ones in here. Negative this side, positive this side. So it's going to be going in like so. And again, negative and positive, like that. Make sure they're fully pushed down. And then we're going to be getting the cover on, just placing it in with the tab on this side here with the big cutout. And make sure that's nice and flat to make it nicely waterproof. And that is it. You will hopefully find now that it will work again. Thanks for watching.